The Mighty Vue Inspector is an exciting new patent-pending magnifying lamp from Aven Tools. With all the features that you would expect from an industry-leading magnifying lamp, including a crystal clear glass lens, adjustable lighting, and a pinch-free arm with no exposed springs. The Inspector also features a high-definition camera and a built-in SD card slot. For the first time ever, your magnifying lamp can connect to your PC or HD monitor for on-screen viewing. The Mighty Vue Inspector includes all of the accessories you need right out of the box. Let's open it up and take a look. The first thing you'll want to do is review the side of the box to ensure you have the right product. This box has the 3 diopter lens version, but we also offer a 5 diopter ESD safe edition. Inside the box, we have the Mighty Vue Inspector lamp, a remote control for access to on-screen functions, micro SD card, USB and HDMI cables, and a Velcro strap to secure the spring arm in a closed position if needed, a 2.5-inch table clamp, and a power adapter. The camera has a lens cap installed, which can be removed easily. With everything set up, the Mighty Vue Inspector is ready to be powered up.